Welcome to another episode of Tecton Common. This is an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5. Titanium, as you can see, 44 millimeters. Let's take a look. Okay, let's dig right in here. Yep, looks like the Series 5 is here. Similar packaging to Series 4. Nice box. And you get the main box here. As you can see, this is the titanium version. And this is the band it comes with, which is the black leather loop. Very nice. All right, we're gonna take a look here. First impressions. Oh, we gotta peel this off. Cool. Let's unbox it. So it comes in this little sleeve here. Let's push it out the sleeve and take a look. All right, titanium is a very nice finish. It has this lustery metal look. It feels as heavy as a stainless steel, but looks very nice. Okay, what else comes in the box? Standard 5-watt adapter and the charger, and also all the normal stuff here. Let's take a look. This comes with the Apple Watch Edition sticker, instruction manual. It also comes with another leather loop, which is in light gray, which is also nice. I'm gonna do a review of this later on, and then get back to you guys with a full report. Assalamu alaikum.